Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have yet another airplane for you. This is the third part of our airplane series. Now this one is my favorite out of the three, just because of the turns it can make. It really swings by. I really like the curves it has. So it starts just same as the other two. It is very basic. You just need to portion the paper into half and then fold the two edges. Now here is where it gets different. You see these two arrows which point that you have to leave some space. It should not join right at the folds that you have made earlier. Then again you need to make two more folds, and once you open them they are going to overlap. Now this kind of overlapping is what is going to make this airplane sturdy and is going to give it its structure. I mean, this is a much more crisp airplane, if you may. The other ones are a little more flimsy. So just follow the instructions as you can see in the video, and you cannot go wrong for sure. I mean, it's very easy. Wherever you think, in case you are not able to follow, please pause the video, rewind it, just take your time, because that is all about it. I mean, it's just that you have to make sure that your creases are pretty good, the paper is light, and there is not too much science behind making any paper craft, I would imagine. I mean, airplanes, paper boats, this brings back so many memories for me, at least. Nowadays, kids have so many things, and we had to be creative. I mean, I do not know what it's called in other countries. We used to make another paper game called Tippy Tippy Tap, where you poke your 4 fingers into it and then you had to choose colors. I mean, we got really creative. Then there were outdoor games that you had to play. Oh my god, that brings back so many things to me. Let me know if you want to find out what games I played, or if you have any particular game that you would want to teach your children. Maybe I can do a tutorial about it, what were the rules and everything. So anyways, getting back to our paper plane, over here you see me denting the paper a bit. This is it actually, just these curves, the edges. I folded the edges of this paper plane and dented the paper. That helps this particular curve of the airplane. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay safe. Bye bye.